Hello guys, welcome back. I'm gonna play balloons TD6. Yes, popping balloons is addiction. I'm out of Vampire Survivor. Well, it's already copyrighted, so let's just start with this balloons TD6 again. I already posted this, but literally got copyrighted too. So maybe this one doesn't. I'll make a shirt about this too. Just a tips. But I'm not sure if I'm broke, bro. If you're new, just do this hard mode. Right here, right now. We're gonna start off with tack shooter. Because it's good at wave 3. Bro's heart is or something very good. There's no water. Okay, fine. Tack shooter it is. We're gonna get more tacks. We're gonna go with this. Fast shooting. No, I'm leaking. Okay, that's okay. Is this okay? There's only one balloon. Good. I'm literally leaking. I hate this. I don't know, David. Why am I leaking so bad? I'm gonna get the hot shots. Bro! Why? Good thing I didn't have this one. Because they're just gonna react like I did very bad thing. Bro, this is just a roadway. There's nothing wrong with it, but you're still using live. What did the balloons do with the monkeys? Oh wait. I think I want to be a monkey now. But one of my friends is a monkey, I'll tell him. We're gonna place or camouflage. Okay. Let's focus on the camo. It's still darker though. The darker the better. Let's go with the crossbow. I need some money, bro. No! I need more. There you go. What? Yep. There you go. It's so noisy. Why is it lagging? What should I place though? If I'm just gonna leak, we need some backup plans. Just need to wait for money. I feel like we can beat everything. If this is enough for me. How can he literally pop a purple balloon even though he got some hot stuff? Wait. Not talking about that. So, if you're thinking about something else, I don't even know why would you think about that. But if it's just me, I'm dirty minded if you know. Okay, now we're leaking, but my friend is in the way, so he can see. Yeah, have eyes. I think there's so much. Yo! Now we got this stack shooter. Shoots very fast. Oh. My friend is literally soloing. Why is it so expensive? It's just a little stack shooter. Wait, did they make this or something? Or there's a monkey inside and that's shooting attacks? To not leak, we cannot get this. See? But be careful of purple because they can do something. Look! It's not even doing anything. No. Not good enough. We need camo detection. Maybe this will help. Oh yeah. Oh sheesh. Bro can handle that. I'm so broke. I'm a brokey. Let's just wait for 2000. Oh. Now we don't need you. Can get this. Now it's easy, but no of this not that easy though. Let's make some money. There you go. There you go. You just need to do this. Now we just counting them. Easy. Cannot even see them. Okay, they're back. Yo, they can break things. We gotta save up for this jungle's bounty. Meanwhile, this guy really just standing. I'm still standing. God damn, the music. Finally. Do we even have to do this? Yeah, I think we have to. God dang! I'm getting so much money! Okay, 50 is the red balloon. And red balloon is bad. Bad as hell. We gotta boost up this guy. There you go. It's the most powerful now. Oh wait, I thought 50 is the red guy. Maybe bad placement. You can easily do this, right? Bro! Put some drugs in this one. You're only giving this. Well, give me this. The stronger miss. Hold on. Don't need this. We need money. There you go. Now we're starting with money. Why did I just place this? Should be here. I'll go back here. God dang. So we can place this. Easy collect. Because I know the tip. If you surround these guys, the druid, with banana farms, you know what's gonna happen, right? I get more money, and money is good. Bro, make money already. I don't have the guy. So that's why I don't have this guy, bro. I cannot pick up that because I'm upgrading this guy. So that's why I'm gonna do this. Do it quickly before I sell you, bro. Good thing I placed this. I don't have anything for that. Oh, 60. There's so much mobs. Okay, that's fine for me. Now we just have to do this. 45. Easy enough. I need to upgrade this guy, but first you have to do this. We need to wait so badly. That was close. There you go. Nah, too bad. There's nothing showing up, bro. Two? How am I supposed to do this? It's just so much mobs. I still do it. Nice. Nah, Moab. I can do that, I guess. Easy, this guy. Glaive surrounds itself in 3 special glaives that shred anything that comes near. Glaives Lord's glaives now comes near. Rip through Moab class balloons, slowly tearing them apart from the inside. Damn. Moab the killer man. I'm actually making the banana farms, the real banana farms. Like I'm only using the banana farm at first for this guys. It's only making 2,200. Let's see. Heh heh heh. Bro, there's so much. I'm making business in this side. Meanwhile, there's a World War III in there. Sheesh. It's been so far. Nah, bro. Nah. I don't need the knockback and the camouflage. Laser. Get back to work. And you in the middle of a tree. You need to get a jungle's bounty, bro. Nah, yo, I forgot about this. This is OP now. I'm gonna make a part 2 about this. Dude, I just need 8,000. Finally. Oh, wait. Forgot about this. What? Dude, this is OP. Oh, yo. Now we just need 10,000. How are we getting so much money without even popping anything? Yo! We need a farm. OP. So wait, you're telling me I know this is already dead. So this. Look at what he said. I thought he gets everything. Bruh. Okay, I think this gotta be fun. But I'm literally destroying everything. I'm getting free money too. Wait a minute. Don't tell me. Yo-ho-ho! This is free money, I guess. Why do I have this? You have free monkey. How big is this? Nah. Dude, I think this is too good to be true. Bro, I'm only getting mobs. Okay, that's about to end. So, goodbye guys. Bye bye.